Nagpunta kami sa dog cafe here in Bangkok, Thailand. The name of the cafe is Dog in Town. You will see that in Ari. Just go to the Ari station and go to exit 3. Tapos lakad lang until you see Sorry Ari 3 street sign. Then turn left dun sa kanto. Lakad ka few meters away, you will see the signage of the coffee shop. Dog in town fee is 350 baht per person and may kasama na yung complimentary drink sa coffee shop nila on the other side of the building. Makikita nyo yung park nila and you have to pay upon entrance. Then required din mag-change ng shoes into slippers for sanitary purpose and to avoid any bacteria and viruses entering the dog cafe. Yan yung mga dogs